I wish you were here. This is gonna tickle. You ready?
Look at that, Dad. You're doing good, Dad. Wasn't that bad, was it?
Okay. You're all right.
Oh.
Just gotta get the back off.
Come on. Don't touch the ear. She got to pull that thing off the ear.
Did you still fix
Over
her
here.
ears?
It feels like there's a road.
Don't touch it.
Oh, she's still fixing it.
Yeah, she just has to get the part of the thing off of that.
Hardest part ever, baby.
Yeah. It's just the easy part.
Wow, that's so grandma.
Cool. Woo! You already got one done.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's good. You try to hurt it.
It wasn't.
It's a skirt.
It wasn't.
You know what? You are really brave. I'm really proud of you.
Come on. Let me see your ear.
Here, honey. I'm going to
Can't really see it that good.
It's this panel right here. Are we doing